Everyone, let us discuss this example. In this example, we have a set R minus Q, that means set of irrational numbers, and we have to check whether it is an open subset of R or not. See, you are familiar with a set of real line, getting? So this is R. So density theorem says there are infinitely many rational numbers and infinitely many irrational numbers. Okay. So if you take any irrational number, if you draw ball around it, then definitely it will contain some rational numbers also. So it is not possible to draw ball around irrational number which contains only irrational number. So that's why it's not an open set. But this thing we have to prove. See, what will I do? I will take one point, let irrational number. You know that root 2 is an irrational number, belongs to R minus Q. So I have taken one point, root 2. Root 2 will be here, root 2, right? So if you draw ball around it, then definitely it will contain some rational numbers. This thing we are going to prove. So let R be any positive real number, okay? Positive real number, any arbitrary positive real number, then open ball with center root 2, radius R, we are going to find. So this is equal to, you are familiar with the definition of open ball, getting? So x belongs to R such that d of x comma root 2 is less than R, right? So simply I use the definition of open ball here. Let us simplify it. So this is equal to x belongs to R such that, see, there is mod, you know, since it is the usual distance. So in R usual distance, that means d of xy is equal to mod x minus y. So it should be mod x minus root 2 less than R, right? So there is one standard result, mod a less than b if and only if minus b less than a less than b. So that result I am going to use. So x belongs to R such that minus R less than x minus root 2 less than R. So I'm sure you can guess the next step. In next step, I'm going to add 2 in all sides. So we will have x belongs to R such that I'm adding to root 2 in all sides. So root 2 minus R less than x less than root 2 minus 2, root 2 will cancel, and root 2 plus R. That means it contains all real numbers which is bounded by root 2 minus R and root 2 plus R. So that means we will have interval root 2 minus R, root 2 plus R. This type of interval we have, getting? So let me show it here. So this is root 2 minus R will be here, root 2 minus R, and root 2 plus R will be there. So root 2 plus R. So in this interval, definitely there will be some rational numbers, okay? So let me mention here clearly root 2 minus R comma root 2 plus R contains rational numbers, getting? Contains rational numbers. Since density theorem says between any two irrational, definitely you can find some rational, and between any two rational, definitely you can find some irrational. So in this interval, so obviously there will be many rational numbers we will have. So let me mention by density theorem. So by density theorem, okay, so with the help of density theorem we could write it. So therefore root 2 minus R, root 2 plus R, okay, root 2 plus R, it is not a subset of R minus Q, that is R minus Q. So this interval is not a subset of R minus Q, since there will be many rational numbers also. So you cannot say it is a subset of set of irrational numbers. And this is nothing but this ball, that is open ball with center root 2 radius R, is not a subset of R minus Q. And this is true for every R. That means if you draw any ball around root 2, definitely it is not a subset of R minus Q, and it is true for any R greater than 0. So definition of open set is not satisfied, therefore it is not a open subset of R. So let me mention, therefore R minus Q, that means set of irrational numbers, is not open. So in this way we proved this set is not open. Make a screenshot of it, then we'll stop. Thank you. Bye bye.